Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today I'll show you one interesting tool which is showing the size and positions and activity of the huge players on Bitmex. Before that, a couple of words on the price of Bitcoin condition right now. Well, the squeeze which we expected to happen actually happened in almost exactly to the level which you would assume to be reached, like $7,400, and then immediately price dropped to the initial state, like $7,200. Well, nothing bullish in this action I can see. Like previously it was something like this here, it was something like this here. You can find many other examples. Basically every time after that the price went down. I wouldn't say that it will happen like very soon though, because even right now on Binance there is a lot of the short orders, like 66% short positions opened with respect to 33% long positions. So it's not the best time to go lower for the market. So I probably would think that it will go sideways for a while until the shorts, or at least the longs, will catch up, and then will go down. But still, the situation is not bullish at all. By the way, if you look at the Heikin Ashi representation of the chart on the monthly time frame, then you will see that although the month isn't closed yet, but you see this candle, it's absolutely devastating. It's totally bearish, like very similar to this one, which we had in 2018. So like this half is very similar to this one. So, well, we can really have something like that after the current situation. Of course, yes, we could jump from here to the new all-time high, but like generally, it doesn't look good at all for the bulls. Okay, and this I was going to show you. This website is bitmexresources.com. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So it has several tabs here. For example, this one, longs and shorts, not only the longs and shorts on Bitfinex, but also the open interest with respect to the price chart of Bitcoin on Bitmex. And you see there is some interesting correlation. For example, when the open interest reached something like 109, 108,000 Bitcoins, you would see that here we have a sudden move after that, significant move. Here as well we had the drop, here we had the rise, and so on and so forth. So as soon as we will reach this level, if we will reach this level, I would expect that another strong move will happen. So far again, it's not that dramatic at the moment, but it's definitely useful for taking some action in terms of your trading activity. When it will reach another high level, then you might expect some interesting price action to happen. Another tab is trades and liquidation, and this is very, very interesting. So you see, it shows the positions on Bitmex with respect to its size. So those are the small positions, and like from 1 to 10 million dollars positions at the right side. So meaning that if you assume that the market is moved by the huge players, huge traders, then if you would compare their positions to the rest of the traders, the smaller ones, then you may say that probably the market will move according to their desire. So right now it is the majority of shorts, for example. The smaller positions, it's otherwise. You see, it's completely otherwise. And even this one, so you see, it's basically a mirror-like image of the positions which are a little bit less than the biggest ones, but still quite huge. So it's the majority of longs for the positions below $100, $100,000, and the other way around, it's the majority of the shorts. Also, you can find some liquidations of the huge positions, the biggest positions here. Most of them were liquidated longs for the recent like 10 hours, and those are the biggest positions opened, and here the majority of them are the short positions made. So this is, I think, also very useful. Moreover, you can find even the biggest accounts trading on Bitcoin on Bitmex, and here you can sort them by total profit. For example, here the biggest one with 7,500 Bitcoin. You can see which of them got the most profit on 24 hours, recent 24 hours, and 7 days profit as well. So you can see that the majority of those who were trading recently, especially if you'll weight them with their total profit, are actually going short, except this one. And with respect to their total profit, you would see that the majority of them are going short right now. So again, this is another tool to add some information when you're making your trades. Just a short notice again about the chart. Some people are drawing this kind of a head and shoulders here. This is the first shoulder, a head, and the second shoulder. So according to this pattern, we'll need to go down something like $6,700, but I wouldn't probably call it a perfect head and shoulders formation because of this previous rise was, I wouldn't say organic, and was after the dump. So yeah, it's likely that it will go down, but not because of this formation. Well, anyway, let's see how it will evolve. And so far that is it for today, guys. I hope that it was useful. Thank you for watching.